Dear students, this is Mr. Chung. In this video, I want to tell you how to find the area of a square and the area of a rectangle. Let's start with a square. Let's say we have a square and each side is 4 feet. This side is 4 feet. The area of a square is length times width. Now in a square, all 4 sides are going to be the same. So that means this side is 4 feet, this side is 4 feet. Every side is 4 feet. But all you're going to do is you're going to pick one length. So let's say you pick this one as the length and see how this side and this side are going to be the same. So both left and right are the same and up and down are going to be the same. So you just have to pick 2. And you just do 4 times 4 equals 16 square feet. So you can write it as feet and then to the power of 2, or you can write it as 16 square feet. Now, why is it 16? And what does the area even tell us? The area is telling us how big the square is. How much cloth would you need to make a blanket this big? Well, 16 square feet. So let me try to see if I can draw something even here. So let's say, remember, this was 4 feet, and this is 1 foot, 2, 3, 4 feet, right? And then I'm going to draw this. And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. The reason why we're multiplying the length and the width is because that gives us 16. Remember how we said it was 16 feet? Well, we could count. How many squares do we see on the inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that's all it is. Area of a square is length times width. Next, we got the area of a rectangle. The only difference between the square and the rectangle is that a square has 4 equal sides, but the rectangle could be stretched out a bit. So let's say this was 4 feet and this is 2 feet. Well, if this is 4 feet, then this is also 4 feet, because that's what happens in a rectangle. If this was 2 feet, this is also 2 feet. So what is our area? Same thing, length times width. Now, I want you to pause this video and try to figure out which 2 numbers should I multiply. Go ahead and do that. All right, hopefully you paused your video and you identified that I should multiply the 2 times the 4. You only need 2 of the sides, length and width. So 4 times 2 is going to be 8 square feet. And the reason why is, let me just break this down. Break it down. How many do we see? How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 square feet. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you a few problems to do for your homework. Here's one. You have a square, and this is going to be 5 feet, and this is 5 feet. Find the area. Pause and do this problem. Okay. Here's your second problem. Rectangle. Let's say this was 5 feet, and let's say this was 20 feet. What is the area of the rectangle? And let's call this problem 1. And let's call this problem 2. And let's do one more. Problem 3. Give you, this one is 7, and this one is 8. And this time, let's say inches. Inches. So area of the rectangle. Okay, be prepared to tell me how to find the area of each one of these things and tell me what the answer is. And be able to explain each one. Okay, that's your assignment.